Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Depth Map. First, navigate to the Effects library in DaVinci Resolve. Locate the Depth Map effect under the Resolve FX tab. Drag and drop it onto your desired clip in the timeline. Ensure your footage has clear foreground and background separation for the best initial results. This foundational step prepares your video for powerful depth-based manipulations, opening up a world of creative possibilities for your edits. Once the depth map effect is applied, head over to the Inspector panel. Here, you'll find the controls to generate your depth map. Select your source, typically the original clip. Adjust the quality setting. A higher quality will yield more precise results, but may take a few extra seconds to process. Click Generate to create the initial depth map. You can then visualize it to ensure it accurately represents the scene's depth, making any necessary adjustments. To refine your depth map, utilize the refinement controls. Adjust parameters like smoothness and edge detection to clean up any jagged edges or inaccuracies. For precise control, you can draw masks around specific objects to include or exclude them from the depth calculation. This allows you to isolate elements, ensuring your depth effects are applied exactly where you intend. Experiment with inverting the map for unique visual styles, adding another layer of creative flexibility. With a refined depth map, the creative possibilities are vast. You can apply selective blur to create a realistic bokeh effect, making your subject pop. Use the depth information for targeted color grading, enhancing the foreground or background independently. Generate atmospheric effects like fog or mist that naturally interact with your scene's depth. These techniques allow you to add significant cinematic polish, transforming ordinary footage into something truly extraordinary with just a few simple steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.